Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best in-ear hi-fi earphone that's perfect for music lovers, gamers, and audiophiles alike, the CVJ Assassin. So stay with us for the full product breakdown. Let's get started. Product features: innovative triple-unit configuration. The CVJ Assassin is not your typical in-ear monitor. It features a unique 3-driver setup, a dynamic driver, a balanced armature, and a vibration unit. Together, they create a well-balanced sound profile with punchy bass, crisp highs, and clear mids. The vibration unit enhances low frequencies for a more immersive listening experience, especially for genres like EDM or action-packed games. Adjustable Kekai mode with 4 settings. One of the most exciting features is the Kekai mode switch, offering 4 audio presets: music, stage monitoring, TV watching, and gaming. Each mode adjusts the sound output for the best possible experience based on your activity. For instance, the music mode activates the vibration unit for deeper bass, while gaming mode sharpens sound cues like footsteps and gunfire. Vibration feature for tactile audio. The built-in vibration mode adds a subtle rumble to your music or gameplay, giving you that live concert or immersive battlefield feel. And the best part? You can toggle it on or off based on your preference. CNC metal cavity design. Durability meets performance with the CNC machined metal cavity, which improves both the lifespan and sound quality of the earphones. Unlike cheap plastic builds, this design helps reduce internal resonance, resulting in a clearer and more stable sound. Dedicated gaming boom microphone. Included is a 1.5-meter cable with a detachable boom mic, perfect for gamers. It ensures clear voice transmission, giving you an edge in competitive multiplayer sessions where communication is key. Compatibility with multiple devices. The CVJ Assassin includes 3.5mm and TC plugs, plus a USB-C adapter, making it compatible with smartphones, PCs, gaming consoles, and more. No extra dongles or converters needed. Pros: triple driver setup for immersive audio, 4 customizable sound modes, vibration unit enhances bass and immersion, strong metal housing for better durability, dedicated boom mic for gaming, universal compatibility with included plugs. Cons: vibration mode might not appeal to all listeners. No wireless option, strictly wired use. Boom mic may feel bulky for casual users. Final thoughts. The CVJ Assassin In-Ear HiFi Earphone is an incredibly versatile and feature-rich earphone designed for serious audio performance. Whether you're jamming to your favorite playlist, monitoring a live stage mix, binge-watching a series, or gaming competitively, this earphone can do it all. With its innovative features, durable design, and excellent sound customization, the CVJ Assassin is one of the best value-for-money in-ear monitors available today. You'll find the product link down in the description. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more smart and exciting tech content. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.